So I finished checking in, but as you can see here, I need to get my boarding pass at the airport. Meanwhile, here's another thing that you have to make sure that you have when you're going for a winter adventure like I am. And that's travel insurance. So there are a lot of options out there, but Safety Wing here, for example, I have verified that they cover skiing, recreational skiing. And then the last thing that I need to also do is to register for this website as I go into Japan. Alright, all my bags are packed and I'm ready to go. So yeah, this is going to be my first solo trip in a while. Is it? Trying to think. For this year, have I gone on a solo trip? If I'm wrong, I'm gonna put it here, the details, but I feel like I haven't been on a solo trip so far. So yeah, if that's the case, it has been quite a while, and it's quite nice that my first time for it after such a while will be to Japan. I love Japan. You guys know it. We all know it. Japan is amazing, and I'm so glad to be back there. It's just that for this time around, I'm going there in the height of winter. Actually, I don't think it's the height. It's the start of winter. And it's going to be my second time in this destination as well, which is Sapporo. I'm looking forward to it a lot because it's going to be the very first time that I'm actually going to go skiing in Japan. I can't wait. I saw the forecast. It is going to be quite cold. I hope I'm packed well enough. We'll see. But yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go and book now because I don't want to get stuck in traffic. Alright, let's go find my check-in counter. We are now in Sapporo. I thought there would be snow, but I guess not here in the city. Yay, I'm happy they didn't lose my luggage. I will have all my ski stuff with me. There it is. Oh, I think these are also my companions. Cold as when we were in Sapporo. It's snowing! Oh yeah, we're gonna check it now.
Just for you, the small information. First of all, each of you have the booklet, so of course you have the all information, your name and the date of your arrival, departure, your dossier number. Very importantly, just that we have behind, this is the QR code that you can scan it and you can see all the information about our village, about the timing, how many restaurants we have, what's the facilities we provide, what's the services we have. This is the room key. Also, you're gonna open by just one click, and this bracelet, it will be also for your locker.
So this is the 4588 collection of ClubMed, and the meaning is here. Basically, it revolves around the idea of luck, as well as marking their 50th anniversary back then. Quite cute. So of course, every design is themed for the destination. So obviously, since we're in Japan, the prints are like this. Here in ClubMed, apparently they have 7 levels. So starting from beginner and all of these club levels with descriptions for each, which is different from what I've been used to in France. Because in France, there's only beginner, intermediate, and pro, right? I'm not sure, but yeah. So where am I here? This one, black runs? Nope. Maybe I'm in club 3 or 4. Meanwhile, for those who want to do snowboarding, It has 5 levels. Ooh, okay, room tour. Here is the hallway, obviously, but let's start on this corner. Oh, wait. Hi, guys! So in this corner, we have here, oh, I could have done it here too. We have here the bathroom area with this brand for body lotion and liquid soap. Good towels, fresh towels, a hair dryer, tissues, and more toiletries. Calm vanity kit, shower cap, and a dental kit. Perfect. This one over here would be the closet. Let's just open it up. Oh, it's motion sensor. So we have here an iron board for the luggage, laundry bag, hangers. Oh, nice. We will have our own kimono. Wow. And of course, we have a safe. And then we have here something to clean the shoes with. We also have slippers. What else? Okay, I think that's done with this closet over here. Or in here would be the shower room. Japan shower rooms are usually small, but this one is perfect. It's spacious. Once again, hi. Yeah. Of course, we have the big bathtub over here. It's a lot bigger than the usual Japanese bathtub sizes that I've seen. Once again, the same brand. We've got shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Perfect. And of course, the best thing about Japan is this toilet. Got all the buttons right here. And yep. Let's go back to the room and continue the rest of the tour. So, over here, we have water, coffee, which I won't be using because I don't drink coffee, but if you guys do, they have Nespresso. And then this one would just be the trash can. And of course, got a big TV right here, and behind me is the bed. Oh, it's so nice. I like the art over here. All inclusive is the new cool. Oh, it's a magnet. And this one, oh, it's a freebie. It's an origami book. Oh, that's cute. Wait, let me just put that back for now. Because, I mean, I've already been panning the camera and I've been ignoring it, but let me show you guys now the view. We have a view over the slopes. So nice. Can't wait for the next days. Such a spacious room as well. I love it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this one. So I guess of course that's the office section or area. These are just extra cabinets which I will put my clothes in. And then, oh, of course, some extra food here. Oh, they're also giving you ramen, of course, because this is Japan. But I have a fridge here. What's in it? Just a few free things. Oh, this is not free. I'm pretty sure you'll pay for it, but yeah. Let's just close that for now, because I'm pretty sure I'm missing something. No, I think I've shown everything now. Oh, sure. I haven't shown you this one. What else? I think that's it. So once again, we are here at ClubMed Kiroro Peak, and though it's a small property, it's quite new. It was just built last 2022. So for the next 6 days, is it 6 days or 4 days or 5 days? I'm gonna be here exploring the property as well as doing a lot of skiing. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys because so far the welcome, the amenities, as well as the room has been very amazing. So for now, I've already put out all of my stuff from my luggage and I'm gonna meet up with the rest of the guys at Otaru restaurant. So we're gonna have lunch because my stomach is actually already growling. So yeah, let's go. So my room is on the first floor. Here they have a vending machine. It's quite simple and small, but at least there's this option. They just offer various types of drinks such as coffee, tea, and others. Basically, the eating area is called Otaru. And once you're here, you can choose from this one, which is Misaki restaurant, the one with a lot of Western food, or Shakotan restaurant with more of Japanese selection. So when you're here, you can alternate between the two, which is pretty cool. So that's the Japanese area, and this is the Western area with all the food selections that you can pick from. They have a lot of selections. We got fruits here, desserts, more desserts. I don't know why I started with desserts, but why not, right? Look at that. And a lot more over here. And they even have a soft serve section. Wow. Okay, maybe I should start showing you guys the actual food before the dessert. So, over here, oh, I guess you can have something cooked personally by the chef. I don't know what it is, but I guess I'm gonna order it. Definitely. And then meanwhile here, they have more meats, pastas. Oh, that's pizza. What else? Some starters. Ooh. They got the baguette over here. Cheeses. Yum. And some other fruits. They also have pastries. What else? Oh, vegan dish. Nice. We also have, of course, drinks. A lot of them, which I will have to figure out as I go on. Oh, never mind. There is English translation. Coffee. What else? Oh, look. So, they're cooking it now. And this is the whole seating area. So cozy. Very warm tone stuff. Oh, I didn't quite understand it the first time, but so if you want the chef to cook something for you, they have menus on the side. For example, this one, really interesting. Look at this, grilled scallops. Let's have a signature dish. It's deer venison roe. So cool. So Jenny, our contact for ClubMed, gave us this gift, which will fit for tonight's theme, which is the 45 or 88 collection. So anyway, let's just open it up. Ta-da! It's so cute. So this one has the logo of ClubMed. This one, of course, has the 45 number on it. So I can use this for tonight. Oh, at the back it says ClubMed. I just woke up, so I took a very long nap, very comfortable bed, and now we're going to head down to the ski shop so that we can reserve our rental equipment, give it a try, as well as sign up for our ski lessons tomorrow. I'm already also wearing the 45 shirt that she has given us because it's going to be a theme night tonight. Because I'm pretty sure after we do the fitting, we're just gonna go straight to dinner and then we're gonna attend the whole festivities and whatnot. Hello darkness, my old friend.
Okay. has to press to the front. So if you just keep it straight with the leg like that, then the foot, as you can see, the shape of the shoes, okay, it's a little bit bending to the front, okay. So if you don't follow the position of the shoes, what happens? It pushes your heel to the front, so your toes get scratched against the front of the shoes. So
Yeah.
bend your knees, press the leg to the front, and normally in that position your toes should go back and give them some room. But a shoe has to be tight.
Also acquired. Now the skis.
Can you step up as well, please? Just gonna take the measure of people.
Got everything. Each room has its own locker. So ours is over here. What? All tucked in. Well, we are playing Uno.
You just get this entire thing.
Have midnight snack. Oh wow. Thank you so much.
You want more spice? You have the spice.
Oh, okay. So I guess everyone got occupied with the casino night, and so the dance portion program didn't push through. Anyway, since we're still pretty tired, we retired early for the night, and I grabbed, like what you've already seen, I grabbed some soba, and I'm going to eat it here in my room. And then after that, I'm going to take a shower, sleep, and get ready for tomorrow. Since most of my companions are beginners, I'm going to be alone tomorrow, but hopefully it's going to be in a group, so that's okay. So I'm gonna do a level 4, club 4, and I have to be there at 9:15. And since I'm doing it earlier than the beginner class, I can at least drop by where the rest of my companions are, so I can still be with them. But yeah, I'm excited. For now, okay, off to bed we go. Such a very, very, very nice first day here in ClubMed Kiroro Peak, and I can't wait for the next days. Good night, guys.